वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप टाइटल से जान ही चुके होंगे, आज का वीडियो होने वाला है विंटर स्किन केयर रूटीन पे। देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच आई यूज स्पेसिफिकली ड्यूरिंग द विंटर सीजन। मुंबई में सर्दियां शुरू ही हो चुकी है, सो आई थॉट आई विल शेयर ऑल द थिंग्स विच आई यूज स्पेसिफिकली इन विंटर्स। इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड व्हाट डू आई यूज इन विंटर, विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर ऑफ योर टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. The first step in any skincare is a face wash. In winter specifically, I like a gentle face wash which is not gonna irritate my dry skin specifically. Currently, I have been loving this simple face wash. This is very gentle on my skin. It does not irritate my dry patches at all. This is suitable for all skin type, guys. This is non-alcoholic, paraben-free, sulfate-free. This retails for 325 rupees only. You can also use a different face wash. The Face Shop face wash is also good. The Wow Science apple cider vinegar face wash is also good, so you have that options as well if you're looking for a face wash. Next step है toner. Guys, if you are sensitive skin type people, I would highly recommend using the rose water. Kama Ayurveda rose water is very good. Good Vibes rose water is very good. You can try any rose water which you personally like. Currently, I have been liking this toner from Face Shop. This is a rice ceramide toner for the Face Shop. This is very hydrating toner. This really does work for me. I have been trying out this product for last few months and this is really working out for me. It is very moisturizing. It does not clog my pores. That is what I have felt after using this product. So you can definitely get your hands on it and try this out and let me know what you think. टोनर नेक्स्ट स्टेप होना चाहिए मॉइस्चराइजर गाइस. सो फॉर द मॉइस्चराइजर आप बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस यूज कर सकते हो. जो निविया की ब्लू डब्बी आती है आप वो यूज कर. देयर इज अ प्लम मॉइस्चराइजर इज देयर इज अ मामाअर्थ मॉइस्चराइजर. At the moment I have been using this moisturizer from Face Shop. This is in the same range from the toner. This is a rice ceramide range. This is also superbly hydrating. I have been trying this out for last a few months now. That is because of the season has been changed and that is why I have been trying this out. This gives me intense moisturizer. Obviously मुंबई में ज्यादा ठंड नहीं है, but जो भी ठंड है यहाँ पे उसके हिसाब से ये particularly moisturizer वर्क करता है. बट आई थिंक इट वर्क्स फॉर एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई वेदर एज वेल. सो इफ यू लाइक दिस, आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड दिस मॉइस्चराइजर गाइज. After moisturizer, I prefer using the facial oil. You can skip it if you want. It's very optional thing that works for me. That is what I'm using. So for the night time, I use this Juicy Chemistry Rose Hip facial oil for anti-scarring and anti-aging. This helps you into the scarring a lot. I do have a little bit scar here and there because of my pimples or pigmentation, whatever it is. So that is what I've used in the night time. I don't particularly use anything at the moment in the morning because I'm home and I'm not going anywhere. So I'm using this in the night time guys. You can skip it if you want. It is up to you. But this is particularly works for me, so that is why I'm using this one. After facial oil, I think the most important step is a sunscreen. This is what I have been using guys. This is a plum sunscreen guys. This is a 35 SPF. This is paraben free, sulfate free. I really like it. It does not give me a white cast. स्किन में भी काफी सारे options है आपके पास. आप न्यूट्रोजिना की अल्ट्रा जेल यूज कर सकते हो. आप मामाअर्थ की सनस्क्रीन यूज कर सकते हो. Whatever suits you, current the weather. This is what the suiting me the most. That is why I'm using this. You can definitely try the different sunscreen option which I have just mentioned. So इसके साथ साथ lip care is also very important. So for the lip, I use this Nivea essential lip balm guys. This is something which I have been using since my childhood. I really love it. This is one of the very affordable lip balm. Obviously you have different options in the market. Biotic lip balm is really good. The Juicy Chemistry lip balm is really good. I have made a video where I have explained all sort of a lip balm with the different lip concern. If you are interested, please do check that video. I will link down right here. Last and optional step I would like to suggest is a face scrub. Guys, सर्दियों में हमारी skin बहुत dry हो जाती है and you need a face scrub which is gentle at the same time, but you can use that to remove the dead skin on your face and give you the fresh and plump skin. So I would highly recommend trying out few scrub. There are one scrub which is by the Biotic, that is Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub. I have been really liking that scrub since last so many years now. Many people rave about this scrub. You can definitely try that scrub. Next recommendation in the scrub category is this chemical exfoliatant. This is Dr. Sheth Gentle Day. It does not contain any of the physical exfoliator. If you want to try out the chemical exfoliator, This is very good. This is very gentle on your skin. You just have a face. You don't have to massage this product at all. You just have to keep it on your face just as a face mask and wash it off with the normal water, and there you go. That's it. Nothing else. I know physical exfoliator are new in the market. It has been there for a year and a half now. Many people are scared to use it, but I would highly recommend this product. I have been using this past 6 months now, and it does not give me any rash or anything on your face. So definitely try this out. फेस केयर के साथ साथ बॉडी केयर इज ऑल्सो very important, guys. I would highly recommend do not have a bath with extremely hot water. That will make your skin extremely dry. Try to have a body moisturizer as soon as you come out of your bath. Using this body moisturizer from so long, guys. This is one of the very good moisturizer. If you want to try the Bath and Body Works moisturizer in the budget, go try this out. This does smell very good. I have been using this body blueberry and chia variant. I do have a 2-3 different variants as well. I do really like this. It does smell incredibly good, but at the same time it does stay on your body. The smell does stay on your body. Also, you can use the Nivea body lotion. That is also one of the classic bottle. You can definitely try that out. I have been using this. Another thing, I have been using this for a very long time. You can definitely try this out. This is a classic product. You can use it. In the body moisturizer, you can definitely try the different body moisturizer by Parachute. Be a blue bottle that really works as well. Whatever suits your budget, you should use the body moisturizer for your body in winter specifically. It gives you very ugly dry patches all over your body, and which does not look nice at all. So I would highly recommend using the body moisturizer for winter, guys. With the body moisturizer, I do think that body scrub is also very important. The winter time specifically, I do use a lot of body scrubs, but there is a few scrubs which I would highly recommend to you guys. Currently I have been using this MAC caffeine coffee body scrub. I will be very honest, I didn't like this scrub at the first. Felt it is super harsh on my skin because of the particles was extremely pointy or something like that. But eventually I did like it. After some time it grew on me somehow. I don't know how, but it did grew on me somehow. That's why I am recommending the scrub. I have finished whole complete jar, and this is my Secly Needs the body scrub in winter time specifically to remove the dry patches all your body and get the soft and silky skin. If you apply the body scrub once in a twice a week, that is enough, I think. You can definitely try the body scrub and get the soft and silky body. I would highly recommend trying the MAC caffeine one, and you can also try the Dove one. Dove also have the very gentle very creamy and very gentle body scrub. I would highly recommend that. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box right here. That's it for this video, guys. जो भी मैं आजकल यूज कर रही हूँ, मैंने आपके साथ सब शेयर किया है. अगर मैं कुछ और भी यूज कर रही हूँ, I will definitely share with you guys on the Instagram. Here's my handle. Please do give it a follow, guys, over there as well. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want me to do next. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Bye, guys.